Dear students, in the topic differentiation, today we are going to discuss the derivative of a parametric function. So see here now if we consider y as a function of x, where both x and y are functions of a variable t. Here t is called a parameter. Means suppose there is one result mentioned in your textbook that if x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t are differentiable functions of a parameter t, then y is a differentiable function of x such that we get dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, where dx by dt is not equal to 0. So see here in this case x is expressed in terms of t, means x is equal to f of t means x depends on t, and y is equal to g of t means y depends on t. So x and y are both depends on the parameter that is called as here it is called as parameter t. Okay, and both are differentiable functions with respect to that parameter, and if you want to differentiate y with respect to x, that means if y is a differentiable function of x, then how will you get dy by dx? It is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, where dx by dt is not equal to 0. So by using this concept, that is the derivative of a parametric function, now we will solve the exercise number 3.5. Now see here, question number 1 from that exercise. We have to find out dy by dx if, see all three functions here. First function is x is equal to a into t square and y is equal to 2at. Here t is parameter, a is constant. So these two are parametric functions. Similarly, second one is x is equal to 2at square and y is equal to a into t raised to 4. Here also t is a parameter and a is a constant. Similarly, third one is x is equal to e raised to 3t and y is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5. Here also t is a parameter. So all these three are the examples of parametric functions where t is a parameter. Now let us try to find out the derivative, that is derivative of y with respect to x. So now see, find dy by dx, first function as per given. So now try to solve this to get the value of dy by dx. Now here I will write given part, that is x is equal to a into t square. Now first of all we have to differentiate this x is equal to a t square with respect to parameter t. So what we have to write? Differentiate with respect to t. Now derivative is very easy. Let us see here. We get dx by dt here is equal to, now see, a is constant and we have to find out the derivative of t square with respect to t. So it is 2t. So totally it will be 2a into t. See here. All derivatives rules are as it is. Okay. Just we have to find out the derivative with respect to that parameter. Now another function is y is equal to 2a into t. So we have to differentiate this with respect to t. So differentiate with respect to t. Then we get dy by dt. So now 2a is a constant and we have to take the derivative of t with respect to t. We know that derivative of t with respect to t is 1. So that's why we get 2a as a derivative with respect to t. So this is dy by dt. Now we require dy by dx. So as per that result, as we know that dy by dx, how will you get dy by dx? It is dy by dt upon dx by dt. So just put the values what we have get here, that is 2a upon this is 2at. Now simplify and then you will get the answer, that is 1 upon t. Now this is dy by dx. So this is our final answer. You will get always dy by dx in terms of t because t is a parameter. Okay, so final answer always in terms of parameters. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon t. So this is the solution to get the value of dy by dx. Okay, so whenever the parametric functions are given to you, you have to solve like this. Okay, now see next function. Here x is equal to 2at square and y is equal to a into t raised to 4. Just solve by taking given function. So given is x is equal to 2a into t square. Again by same technique, here we will differentiate this with respect to parameter t. So we get dx by dt. See here, dx by dt. Now here it is 2a is a constant and derivative of t square is 2t. So complete answer is 4a into t. Check this. Okay. Now next function is y is equal to a into t raised to 4. Again we have to differentiate this with respect to parameter t. So we get dy by dt. Very simple. A is constant. Derivative of t raised to 4 is 4 into t cube. So totally we get 4a t cube. A is constant. Now as we know that, again by same technique, as we know that what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, and that's why here it is 4at cube upon 4a into t. Check this, and by cancelling here 4a and 4a will get cancelled and 1t will get cancelled and just you will get t square. So this is dy by dx. So this will be a final answer, which is again in terms of the parameter t. Very simple. So just try to find out the derivative of parametric functions like this. Okay. Now see the third one. It is given that x is equal to e raised to 3t and y is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5. Okay. So see how will you solve this. So I will write given part. First of all, given is x is equal to e raised to 3t. Now differentiate this with respect to t. Now you know that what will be the derivative of e raised to 3t with respect to 3t. We have to use with respect to t. Here we have to use chain rule. So derivative of e raised to 3t is e raised to 3t into d by dt of 3t. Then as we know that derivative of 3t is 3. So we get 3 times e raised to 3t as the derivative of e raised to 3t. You can write the direct answer also if you know to solve. Then another function is y is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5. Then differentiate this with respect to t. Again we have to use chain rule here. So it is dy by dt is equal to, by chain rule, derivative of e raised to 4t plus 5 is e raised to 4t plus 5 into d by dt of 4t plus 5. Check this chain rule and try to understand this carefully. Now what is the derivative of 4t plus 5? Derivative of 4t is 4 plus derivative of 5 is 0. So totally it will be 4. So that's why we get 4 into e raised to 4t plus 5 as the derivative, that is dy by dt. Okay. Now as we know that, again by same way, as we know that dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So complete the answer. So dy by dt is 4 into e raised to 4t plus 5 and divided by 3 into e raised to 3t. Now you can simplify this as 4 by 3 into, now see, this is the index e raised to 4t plus 5 and here it is e raised to 3t. So you can write it as e raised to 4t plus 5 into e raised to minus 3t. Okay, just by index rule we will solve this and hence we get 4 by 3 into e raised to 4t plus 5 minus 3t. Okay, and hence we get 4 by 3 into e raised to t plus 5, because 4t minus 3t will be t, and hence we get this as a final answer, that is dy by dx. So you can simplify, if you want to simplify like this, by using just index rules. Okay, so we get the final answer, dy by dx is equal to 4 by 3 into e raised to t plus 5. Okay, so try to solve such type of questions from your textbook. Thank you.